It'll go on just like this. So I can remove it if I need to easily, but I shouldn't have to very often. So right now, I got tool number 6, it looks like, loaded. We'll see how it works. We'll change it to tool number 1. Alright, we'll go tool number 1 to tool number 3. You notice the brush stays just off the surface, so it's nice and straight when it does the tool changes. And I have plenty of clearance inside there to allow it to go around the tool and the tool holder. Let's go to number 6. And that's it. It's doing what it's supposed to be doing, and the only way I can tell if it's going to work is to cut some pieces. So I'll be doing that tomorrow and see how the brush holds up, if everything works the way I hope it does.